Hello guys, so today we're going to review and unbox the Mirfak Audio N2. I found this camera mic during a YouTuber's live video a couple weeks ago who goes by the name of Duekneel, and they've been recommending this brand a lot, so I tried getting one for myself, and here we are. So here's me opening the box. Please forgive me for taking time to unbox, but after skipping a few minutes here, we'll see the box with the brand and model at the front. So the package includes a windshield cover, the shotgun mic itself, which is a cardioid type, meaning that it captures more the signal straight from the front. Then there's another mic foam cover. Then you have two 3.5mm cables, one TRS and one TRRS for camera and smartphones respectively. Also, the package comes with the mic stent with the springs attached, and also some extra rubber for the holder. And finally, your manual and your warranty card. Alright, so we're going to test this camera mic with different environments and also different scenarios. Let's start with a close-up or an up-close scenario. So for the first half of each test, we're going to show the raw and unprocessed, and then for the second half, we're going to filter in EQ so that we can see the difference. Check, sound check, mic test 1, 2, check, sound check. Check, mic test 1, 2. Check. Check, sound check. Mic test 1, 2. Check, sound check. Check, mic test 1, 2. Check. Next test is from different distances but still in front of the camera. Check, sound check. Sound check. Next test is checking the background noise, how it sounds. And lastly, inside a closed area with different sources near the mic.
Parang din dun sa AP, pero grouping siya. Parang din dun sa AP, pero grouping siya.
So what do I think about this mic? It's actually not bad for its price. I'm surprised that its audio quality is kind of bit punchy, not too trebly, not too bassy for me. The only catch here is that there's still that unwanted static noise, which I have yet to see if it can be resolved or reduced by a new cable that I'm planning to buy soon. Though overall the static is just minimal, so it can be edited during post process. So whether you're doing an audio only podcast or doing vlogs or content creating elsewhere. Alright, so this is my honest take on it. I'm actually really satisfied buying this product considering that I got this on sale. So I just copped it for 850 pesos and planning to use this for some short documentaries, hopefully podcasts, and other things in the future. So if you made it this far, thank you for watching and see you on the next one.